For 14 years straight, SCHD has done one thing without fail: paid you a bigger dividend than the year before. That streak is the entire reason millions of people own this fund. And this September, for the first time, it's genuinely in danger. Here's why. SCHD's last two quarterly payments both came in lower than the year before, 2 in a row. And the next payment, landing September 28th, is the one that decides whether SCHD's 14-year growth streak survives or breaks. So today, the exact dates you need to know, what your payment is likely to be, the deadline to own SCHD before you miss this one, and whether that streak is actually about to snap. If you own SCHD, this is the most important dividend in years. Let me show you. Here's the plan. First, the key dates: the ex-dividend date, the pay date, and the exact deadline to own by. Then, what your September payment is likely to be with the real projected numbers. Next, the streak: why 2 straight quarterly declines have put SCHD's growth record on the line. And finally, what it means for you and what to actually do. Let's get into it. Quick disclaimer: this is educational analysis using verified data, not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Dividend amounts and dates aren't final until Schwab officially announces them, and projections can change. Always verify current numbers yourself and consult a qualified professional before investing. Let me give you the dates first because, if you want this dividend, timing is everything. SCHD's next ex-dividend date is September 23rd, 2026. The ex-dividend date is the single most important one to understand. It's the first day that buying SCHD does not get you the dividend. So to receive this payment, you need to own your shares before September 23rd. In practice, because trades take a day to settle, that means buying by about September 22nd at the latest. Buy on the 23rd or later, and you miss this payment entirely. You'd wait until December. The pay date is September 28th, 2026. That's the day the cash actually lands in your brokerage account. If you have dividend reinvestment turned on, that's when it automatically buys you more shares. If you take it as cash, that's when it shows up ready to use. So burn these 3 into your memory. Own by September 22nd. X date, September 23rd. Paid, September 28th. Miss the 22nd, miss the money, and wait 3 more months. It's that simple and that strict. And one honest note. As of right now, Schwab has not officially announced the exact dividend amount. They typically announce it about 2 to 3 weeks before the X date, so expect the official number in early September. Everything I'm about to give you on the amount is the projected estimate based on the fund's data, which I'll clearly label as a projection. I'll do a follow-up the day the official number drops, so subscribe if you want that. So, how much money are you getting? Let me give you the projected numbers, clearly labeled as projections until Schwab confirms. SCHD's last payment, back in June, was about 25 cents per share, 25.25 cents to be exact. The projections for this September's payment currently range from roughly 22 cents on the low end to about 26 cents on the high end, with many estimates clustering right around 26 cents. So plan for something in that ballpark, and we'll know the exact figure in early September. Let's turn that into real money, using roughly 26 cents per share as the working estimate. If you own 100 shares, that's about $26 this quarter. If you own 500 shares, about $130. If you own 1,000 shares, about $260. If you own around 3,000 shares, which at today's price of about $34 is roughly a $100,000 position, you're looking at about $780 landing on September 28th. And if you own 10,000 shares, that's roughly $2,600. So find your share count, multiply by about 26 cents, and that's your rough payment. Just remember, until Schwab makes it official, treat that as an estimate, not a promise. The real number could land a bit lower or higher. And one important reminder, do not rush out and buy a huge position just to grab this one payment. On the X date, the share price typically drops by about the dividend amount, so you're not getting free money by piling in right before the 23rd. Buy SCHD, because you want to own it long-term, not to chase a single 26-cent check. Now here's the real story, and why this particular dividend matters more than usual. SCHD's reputation rests on dividend growth. It's not just about paying a dividend, but increasing it every year. And it has done that for 14 straight years. That rising income, ideally outpacing inflation, is why investors build retirement portfolios around this fund. But something has changed in 2026. SCHD's first and second quarter payments both came in below their year-ago levels. 2 consecutive quarterly declines have left the trailing 12-month dividend essentially flat at around $1.05 per share. That's why September matters. If Q3's payment falls below Q3 2025, that's 3 consecutive declines, putting the 14-year growth streak in serious jeopardy. If it rises, the streak survives, and this year's weakness may prove temporary. There is reassuring context. SCHD's March reshuffle replaced some high-yield energy holdings with lower-yielding companies offering stronger long-term growth. That can reduce near-term income without signaling anything fundamentally wrong. Abbott, Merck, Home Depot, and Coca-Cola remain healthy. A broken streak wouldn't mean SCHD is failing, but it would matter because dividend growth is central to the fund's appeal. So what do you actually do with all this? Here's the practical breakdown. If you own SCHD for income long-term, don't panic, but watch the September dividend. One soft year doesn't break a quality fund, and SCHD has paid uninterrupted since 2011. But reset your expectations. Don't assume dividend growth will return to its old double-digit pace. Plan around modest growth, and you won't be caught off guard. If you're buying before the X date, buy only if you already want SCHD long-term. Don't chase one payment. The share price typically adjusts by roughly the dividend amount. The key number is the official Q3 dividend Schwab announces in early September. Compare it with Q3 2025. Above last year, the growth streak survives. Below it, 3 straight declines would raise serious questions about SCHD's future as a premium dividend growth fund. Mark your calendar. 2 minutes of checking could tell you a lot. Here's the lesson that outlasts this one dividend. An investment's reputation can quietly drift away from reality, and your job is to make sure they still match. SCHD's reputation is simple, reliable, growing dividend income. For 14 years, it earned that reputation. But reputations lag reality. Right now, 2 consecutive quarterly declines have put that growth streak under pressure, while many investors still believe the old story without checking the numbers. That's why the boring habit of reviewing your investments matters. Once a quarter, look at the actual dividend and ask, is this fund still doing what I bought it to do? This September, don't collect the payment on autopilot. Compare it with last year. Let the data, not the reputation, tell you what you own. SCHD's next dividend is expected around September 23rd, with payment around September 28th. The projected payout is roughly 26 cents per share, but Schwab won't confirm until early September. After 2 straight quarterly declines, this payment could determine whether SCHD's 14-year dividend growth streak survives. Long-term holders shouldn't panic, but should reset expectations as income growth slows. Are you holding SCHD mainly for income? And would a dividend growth pause change your strategy? Or are you holding regardless? Let me know in the comments. I read and reply to everyone. Subscribe, because the moment Schwab announces the official September number, I'll break down whether the streak survived the day it drops. That's the video you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.